Heard you call.
I'm standing here on 8th of July, which is a Monday, and I'm finally leaving on my last leg of the trip. Bike's loaded, ready. GoPro's memory card space is almost over. It's slightly lopsided, the luggage, I know, but that's just to ensure that no tragedy befalls. The silencer burning up the luggage. Last day of the journey begins now at 6 a.m. I have a long day ahead of me. Almost 14 hours of run time, 728 kilometers. I have a feeling I'll reach home by 11. A journey of 728 kilometers begins with the first step of starting a bike. Yes. Yes, sir. Oh no. Oh yes. Let's go. जय माता दी करी और निकल पड़े. Weather's overcast once again. Weather's anyway gonna be like this only all day today, especially while entering Bombay. Leh was fantastic. I would probably visit again, and this time I'll be better prepared, more well prepared than I was this time around. Next time I'll just ship my bike, deal with whatever repair work needs to be done. All the nice people I met on my rides, just random people who don't know but you end up communicating with just because I mean, you're all traveling, It's just 6:41. I have a long day ahead. Even if the GoPro battery survives the day, my memory card will be full. Time is 7:24 a.m. and I've finally crossed over from Rajasthan into Gujarat. Finally, I'm reaching the highway. I've wasted enough time on these state highways to not be able to pull the pace that I want, but now I will be able to. Also, in the latest update, my charging port has stopped working, so I'm living on borrowed battery. It was working, I think, till 2 days ago. Yesterday I noticed that the phone's not charging. It was showing as charging, but it's not charging, and now I've tried with multiple cables. So it's just not it's basically just not saying that it's charging the phone anymore. 8 hours, 17 minutes to home, 438 kilometers. It says 7:20. Time right now is 11. I've only covered 290 kilometers since I've been on the road for the last 5 hours. I'm currently 344 kilometers from Mumbai. Can you guess the current time? Time right now is 12:45 p.m. I think it's raining up ahead. I think I'll need another break. Put on rain gear, cover up all the luggage. Hotel अब पूरा यहाँ कभी खाया नहीं. In a very fun update, I'm meeting Akash near Vasai, who will probably be bringing एकदम गर्मा गर्म भजी पाव. गुजरात से महाराष्ट्र एंटर कर रहे हैं ऑलरेडी और बारिश शुरू हो गई. मुंबई 119 किलोमीटर एंड इट्स जस्ट 4:18. गुड टाइम मैन, गुड टाइम. And I'm just reaching Vasai. मतलब Vasai से भी I'm still like about 30-35 kilometers out. Like what is going on, man? कितना 10 साल से ये बना ही रहे हैं क्या हाईवे? Oh, and it started raining now, so 60-70 के ऊपर भी नहीं जा पाएंगे. It's 6 p.m. I am yet to reach Vasai. Abhi next stop is either Vada Pav or Samosa Pav. Surprise stop. Akash, surprise me, bro. I'm on my way. क्या हाल है? Today the Western Express is completely blocked, as mentioned by Akash and Paran and Garima. So I'm taking the Thane route, but I have to say I didn't sign up for an off-roading course, man. I just thought it would be like a nice newly made road, because that's what everyone is saying. The road has been made well. This is not the sign of a well made road. Time is 7:18 p.m. I've just left Vasai about like 20 minutes back. Had a nice Vada Pav break with Akash, and then now final destination, home, which is showing exactly 1 hour 5 minutes away. So that's slightly reassuring. It's just, I think, nothing short of poetic how when I left Bombay on what, 11th June, it was raining. I mean, it was raining more heavily than this, and now that I'm returning today on 8th of July, it's raining again. What a fantastic end to my month-long adventure. Blue Armor's dead. GoPro battery, I think, is like on its last leg, maybe like 10-20%. Phone's at like 8 or 9% battery. Visibility is almost zero. I'm just riding by looking at the tail light or whatever is in front of me. Time right now is 8:08 p.m. Wow, they set up lights to guide the way home. I think they knew my aux lights were not functioning anymore. Thanks, guys. Yeah, well, we're almost home now. रुक, मैं आ रहा हूँ, रुक, मैं आ रहा हूँ. इधर आ. कौन आया, कौन आया? हाँ, मैं आ गया, मैं आ गया, मैं आ गया.